Hey everyone, today we're talking about a big change rumored for T-Mobile, the gradual end of 4G. Before you panic and shop for a new phone, it's not happening overnight. Let's break it down. By 2028, most of 4G could be gone for T-Mobile customers. But don't worry, some LTE will stick around until 2035. Here's what's really going on. What's happening? T-Mobile is reportedly planning to phase out its 4G LTE network. The goal? Free up spectrum for a faster, more efficient 5G standalone network that doesn't rely on LTE. T-Mobile uses bands like 2, 4, 66, 12, and 71 for LTE, and plans to convert them to 5G bands N2 and N66. This shift lets T-Mobile expand 5G coverage and prepare for future technologies and timeline. The transition starts in 2026, when T-Mobile will stop approving most new LTE and 5G non-standalone activations. By 2028, most LTE service will shut down, leaving just a small 5 MHz LTE channel for older devices. Limited LTE could still exist until 2035, but performance will keep dropping. So, this isn't a sudden shutdown. It's a long, gradual process. Who's affected? Phones that only support 4G will eventually lose service. Older 5G phones that rely on LTE for coverage may also see problems. Smartwatches, routers, and IoT devices that use LTE will need upgrades too. Why T-Mobile is doing it? Retiring LTE gives T-Mobile more capacity and better efficiency for 5G. They're also developing 5G RedCap, a lighter version of 5G for wearables and IoT gadgets. This upgrade lays the foundation for 6G, expected to appear around 2029, with wider rollout by 2030. Other carriers. Verizon and AT&T will eventually follow, but more slowly. T-Mobile is ahead because its 5G network relies less on 4G infrastructure. What you should do. Don't rush to upgrade today. You've got years before 4G is gone. If your phone doesn't support 5G standalone, plan to upgrade within the next few years. T-Mobile may offer trade-in deals when the transition gets closer, just like they did during past network shutdowns. And if you own LTE-only smart devices, look into newer options that support 5G or Wi-Fi connectivity. So yes, T-Mobile is preparing to retire 4G, but there's no reason to freak out. You've got plenty of time before any major impact hits. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more updates on T-Mobile and future tech. See you next time.